What up, guys? My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome, hopefully, welcome back to the Wheelhouse. So, I thought I would give you guys a little hookup this morning and give you a little cherry pick. If you guys have been watching the channel, if you're OGs and you're part of the first 500 or even up to the first 1,000, which we're trying to get to. You know that my first 7 premium technicals, all 7 went green and we made money. Then I gave you 21 and all 21 went green, which is quite bold and quite crazy to do on YouTube, to call them out before they go up and all 21 hit. And then the 7 before. Then I gave you a couple more, and then we did a premium technicals the other day. Excuse me, a hold 'em or fold 'em of the premium technicals. And out of 30 of them, I only had you get rid of 3. And one of them you could have kept, I said. So they all went up, all 30 for 30, except one of them was down 0.5%, so call it 29 out of 30. And the last one that went down didn't really lose anything. So, I mean, it's pretty freaking good, right? So look, I'm going to hook you up with another one, and I do have my alerts where you can see exactly when I buy, what the buy price is, the stop loss, the price target, updates on all the stops and stuff like that in the Discord. The Discord link is down below. We also have the Jedi area where you have all the courses. You have the Wheelhouse Wednesdays where I do questions and answers and look over charts with you guys. And then once a month I'll DJ for you. I was a professional touring DJ for a long time and wrote a lot of records. And I'll hook you guys up with that. I'll spin you a nasty set like once a month. I'll just get like sick with it on the decks and just good nasty for you, but I'll do that, which would be kind of cool and different. The chats are already moving, the stock and crypto chat over there. Everybody's already kind of vibing and doing the Wheelhouse family crew thing. So just it's free. I mean, just jump in and first 200 people are free, and I think there's 92 in there right now. So it's by the time this comes out, like at some point today, it'll probably be full, and then it'll have to pay the $5 to even be in there, and then you can upgrade, of course. But the vibe is cool. I'm excited to meet everybody. I'm ecstatic about the Discord launching yesterday, and I'm super grateful for everybody. Everybody in there is so excited and so eager to learn, and the reason they're in there is because they know that when they learn from me, just through all these Discords and all these different things that I do behind the scenes, these guys know that they make money with me, and that's the whole point. I mean, I'm teaching stuff to people that they've never even heard of on another channel, and I can already tell that they're learning. They're DMing me, and they're like, just the way that they're approaching things now, like I could tell that their mind is starting to condition to really be in a place to win and to make good decisions, to protect capital and to enter technically, and it's quite exciting. So enough about that. If you want to jump in there, which you should, I mean, you just literally, when this video is over, just go into the description, click Discord, and you just join, and it's free, and you'd be right in there. You can check it out, and not pushy, but I mean, it's cool. If you want to learn some stuff and meet some cool people, so yeah, do that. And let's just jump into it. I want to show you this chart, and I want to talk to you a little bit about. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you this chart, and and then I'm gonna get out of here because I'm already on hour 18 for the day, and I'm really, really, really tired. Like I said, we launched the Discord. I had everybody welcoming them, and then we did the Wheelhouse Wednesday. So that was 2 new things, and I woke up super early at 5 a.m. I did a YouTube video. I traded all day. If you look at my last video, you can see a bunch of trades and changes to the portfolio, and then. After that, I had to film a course, and then dinner with the family, and here I am again making another video for tomorrow morning. So I'm tired. So sorry I don't have like a ton of energy right now, but it's the morning, and you're probably just waking up, and you don't want to hear somebody blah, 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 going all crazy. So keep it chill, right? So anyways, like this is what I want to show you. Qualcom, it's a juggernaut, right? It's been around forever. Established brand, established company, chip maker. Well, it's it was in a nice bull trend for a long time, and if you were to enter above the 200, you went on for a long time. You didn't even have to get out until here, and you could have got back in, and you could have got out, and you were out, and look, you're right now getting back in. So I don't know if you can see that, but this price action is just now piercing the 200 right there. And that is a sign of going into a bull trend. Meanwhile, you've already had bullish momentum, and you're getting a break at the same time, which is the spot that you accumulate in. That's where like institutions and pension funds and hedge funds, and hopefully you guys, doing it the same way. And if you buy right there, you're entering at the very beginning, because like I said, I mean, right when it first goes above the 200, that's the beginning of the whole next trend. And not only do you have the breakout and above the 200, but your RSI is going up. In the other chart, the RSI is going through the benchmark index, which means it's a leading stock. All your other indicators are bullish. Your volume is going in the direction of the price action. You have massive institutional support, and you have it coming in October 28th, October 29th, and November 1st. Okay, this is big. Okay, they're coming in. Follow the money. Trust me on this. All right, now. The other thing is you are above all the other EMAs. I just don't have them on the chart, but you're above everything. So that's really good. But what I wanted to tell you guys as like a little bonus is this actually had what's called a breakaway gap. And if you're not familiar with all the gaps, there's like a lot of people just say gap up, gap down, but there's a breakaway gap, there's a runaway gap, there's an the kind that I am, the exhaustion gap. And so basically, when you see a breakaway gap, that signifies the beginning of a big, long run. And then there'll be a runaway gap in the middle, and it'll go even steeper to a parabolic to exhaustion gap, and then it'll waterfall down, and it'll do this whole thing again, like this, and it just goes in cycles. Well, the very beginning is when you get up through that 200, just like over here. So it's like the perfect technical entry. Plus, it has this shoulder base breakout. You can't ask for it to be better. I mean, that's just prime for the taking right now. Like, obviously they know, and I'm just trying to put you up on game like before it all goes down. So these are the kind of things that you make money with, guys. Like, this is why I'm a wealthy person. This is why I'm a baller. Even though I don't go out and spend my money, I just keep investing it. But I mean, I just keep making more, like Pac-Man eating pellets. It's easy to make money. You just got to learn how to protect it. And I teach you that in the courses too. So yeah, Qualcom looks super good. It had that breakaway gap here at the beginning right at the beginning above the 200. The impulse structures look really good. You got plenty to work with up here to kind of take it back up. Your first price target is probably like this 145.85. You got like kind of like a little base area right here at 148.50. You kind of jump over here, 150, 175, which is also look like where you would put your stop here to not get knocked out. And on and on, and we could talk about it in videos. I'm probably going to grab it this morning just because I know it's technically good, and it had just an amazing, it had a good earnings. So you can see right here, Qualcomm shares pop after company reports earnings beat, 56% rise of smartphone chip sales. It was up in after hours. I don't think it's up 6% anymore, but that's cool. The earnings per share adjusted was $2.55 versus the $2.26. That's up 76% year over year. That's kind of numbers I'm looking for. You got $9.3 billion on the revenue adjusted versus the $8.86 billion, which was also 43% year over year, which is completely not just satisfactory, but it's good. It's not outstanding like the SM Energy that I showed you or the DXLG, up 3,000%, but it's good, So yeah, I like that. And look, their chip division comes amid problems with the supply of many semiconductors needed to build computers and other devices. It shows that Qualcomm has weathered the global shortage, which has hurt a lot of companies such as Intel, Apple, and AMD. So yeah, I mean, they're weathering the storm. They're influential, blue chip type company. They're at the beginning of a trend with a base break and a breakaway gap. I mean, technically and fundamentally, it's kind of a wheelhouse winner. So I'm gonna leave you with that. Don't forget to hit that Discord and hit the like. I do this for free. I was retired. I'm just kind of like trying to teach you guys, and I don't get paid any money for YouTube. I'm exhausted for you guys. So do me a favor. The only thing I ask for is just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and select the little bell, and why don't you come into the Wheelhouse Discord and just click that little link, and if you like it, cool. If you don't, you can dip out. But I think you'll like it, and I think you could meet some cool people and learn. So, anyways, that's what we're all about: family, community, and helping each other out. And I hope you guys have a really good day in the markets, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.